Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to review the new Streax Ultralights, their gem collection, and this is the emerald cream. This box retails for 160 rupees. In this box we have the blonder powder and developer coloring cream, brush, 2 sachets of conditioner, instruction and the good old gloves. Now go to step 1. If you already have pre-bleached hair, you can skip, but if you have dark hair, you have to bleach your hair, otherwise the color will not show. Always use a non-metallic bowl for mixing. Mix them well. Here I'm gonna do a little experiment. I'm gonna make 3 ponytails. Which one I will not bleach, and other 2 I'm gonna bleach in 2 different time span. You can see number 1 is my already pre-bleached hair, the second one which I bleached for 30 minutes, and the third one I bleached for 15 minutes. Previously I did the blue sapphire review, but I was not quite sure about this color, so I'm just gonna swatch it. This swatch looks like a very deep green color with a bit of blue. I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes on my hair. This is the before the number 1, which was my pre-bleached hair. And this is the after result. You can see it's pretty dark. My ends were a bit lighter, so the green is showing, but otherwise it's black. And the second one is the 30-minute bleach one, and the color turned out pretty good. I liked it. And this is the third one, which was 15-minute bleach. The color also turned out quite good. You can clearly see the difference between the bleached one and the without bleached one result. Oh my god, this is such a pretty color. I was not hoping for that, but I'm really happy with the result. If you guys think this video is helpful, please do like it. If you are thinking to do this color, please send some photos in the comment. I would like to see them. Subscribe to my channel if you want. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.